Okay, well today is the day. Orico dual bay 3.5-inch hard drive enclosure. That noise was the box on the table, not any part of me. We put these two drives in here. The only thing about this, these drives are slimmer drives, so there probably is going to be an extra room, a little bit extra room in there. So let's take a look though. I did an unboxing of this. You can find that video on the channel where we went through what's in the box. And I haven't done this part yet though. Out of frame, good job. Let's see now. Put this, I'll take this one off, put the drives in, then we'll do the other one. Oh, the peeling. Also, while you're watching this video, if you could do me a favor, because I'm always curious, let me know what time it is where you are watching this video, whether it's 3 a.m., 3 p.m. I'm always curious to know what time people are actually watching the videos. Actually, why don't I take this one off now? If I could find the edge here. That way I can know what time. So if you could do that now, that would be great. You don't have to like or dislike the video to the end unless you want to. Oh yeah. Also, if you could rate my peeling skills, if you like. You don't have to. I know it sounds kind of a creepy thing to say. So, inside here, nice, smooth, feels like aluminum, probably is. It's really light. First drive, I'm going to be putting in 500 gigabytes. Seagate drive, right here on this side here. So, as you can see, here, this part needs to slide in, push in, and you can see, where's the lens? See, it's flush here just about, and this will stick out a little bit over. Not the worst thing in the world. Get the other drive. If you'd like to watch me do a setup video, leave a comment in there and I'll see if I could take one on my computer when I'm setting the drive up all as well. As far as this makes it really easy. Set this in there. Slide this on. And we are done. There is that little gap there, so in case the drive is a little bit taller. Are the drives loose in there? They are. I probably going to get something to put in there so they don't move around. I do live in California, and there can be earthquakes. But I suppose if something happens, an earthquake, enough to knock that over, I've probably got bigger problems than what's going on inside the drive case. So I put it on the stand, because I'm going to be having it set vertically. Well, maybe, probably not like this. I don't know. It wasn't pictured that way in the ad. And that's everything there. I didn't do a time-lapse during this video. If you have watched my other videos, you can see I usually do a time-lapse of the whole thing. I didn't do that this time because my battery was dead on the other camera. So maybe I should put it this way. What do you think? Just how the wires popping out of the top there? Alright. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Dislike the video. Up to you. Thank you for watching now.